Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add your own music to TikTok. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone, and after we have our TikTok application opened, we can start to create a post. Click on this plus button to create a post and click on this add sound option. Okay, and since we want to add our own music to TikTok, we can click on your sounds right here, and then here we have two options. We can select import sound from a video or import local sound, and I'm going to import a sound from my device, so I'm going to click on this option. Okay, and these are my music in my device, and then I'm going to select this one. For example, we can select more than one music, but I'm just going to select one. Then we can click on import sound. Okay, and if you want to use this music for your TikTok post, you can click on it, then click on the check mark. Okay, and now the music has been added to our TikTok post, and we can click on upload, or you can also take a picture or a video by TikTok. And I'm just going to upload photo from my device. For instance, I'm going to upload this photo, and then we can click on next to post this TikTok photo with the music that we have just added, and we can click on post. Alright guys, and that's how we can add our own music to TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.